Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good whatever time of day it may be for you. It's the Laidback Gamer, and we return to Ratchet and Clank, the first game. Last episode, we just finished Novalis, as well as Velden, the very first planets that we get to play on. And now we have two planets we can head to, Iridia, Outpost 11, Iridia, or Metropolis on Kerwan. Now, I'm going to go here, and next episode, you will see why I come here. Off we go in our ship, and this is another awesome reason I love this game. This is a loading screen, in case you did not know, but it makes it look like you are traveling really, really far and really, really fast to get there. And I don't know why there's an accident going on. It's possibly quite horrifying to some people, but to me, I'm just gonna roll with it. Just roll with it and go with it. Ah, here we are. Lovely planet Kerwan is. Metropolis City, also very nice. And right off the bat, I am going to show you the location of not one, but two gold bolts in this level. Well, actually, we're going to get to all three gold bolts this time around. No, I got to save this planet for at least one gold bolt. So we're going to hide where one of them is. Yes, is. Alright, so the blaster, which we get in this planet, this is going to be one that we are going to buy, of course. According to our rules, once again, we cannot buy ammo for any of our guns, no matter what. Even if they're brand spanking new, we got 100 bullets with this, we're not going to max out. Alright. Now we're going to go here first. Aw, just out of range. So you'll notice I'll be meleeing my way through this game. Thank you for blowing those crates up for me. And no, that's not because... No, that's not because of the... Oh, I'm not sure where I was going with that point. Nope. Bad dog. Oh, nope. You called that. Ooh, there's a helicopter. Yes, thank you. Alright, let's put this new blaster to use. Okay, that's better. I wasn't quite sure where the range of that was. Look at all the free bolts that we just got. Now we got a couple of these enemies. I missed. Curse you, camera angle. I can't see where I'm going. Also, where'd that other guy go? He just disappeared. He said, "Nope, I ain't willing to die today. I'm gonna run away." Probably sounded nothing like that. Did I need any help? I haven't taken any damage yet. Not bad. Oh, I found one of these cowards. There, as I said it, I took my first hit. Ah, how dumb mutt. I will not go back for the health. Even though it would be a great idea. I am not going to go back for it. Oh, take that. And now we're going to meet the next really important character in the series. Here he is.
That's the man we saw the info box. Remember? He knows Captain Quark. Hey, you're that robot guy, right?
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy, per se.
Nerd. I like him.
So, now that we've cleared that up,
You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP-18 sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Natch. Since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.
Okay, you can have 1,000 bolts.
Okay, this won't hurt a bit.
Hey, wait. Ratchet, am I cool now? Yeah, you the man, Clank.
You're welcome.
Oh, sorry, Al. Sorry. Thank you for that. Now we got a cool new gadget, the helipad.
Try using the helipack's quiz jump feature to climb these boxes. Press the R1 button to crouch, then jump.
How dare you make me look like an idiot and say helipad? I almost said it again. We can use the helipack to get up higher.
New helipack stretch jump feature to cross this gap. While you're running, crouch using the R1 button and then jump.
Or I can be dope and just jump over there and casually glide down.
Try using the fly feature of your new helipack. Jump, and then press the X button in midair to fly.
Always loved doing this as a kid. Bye-bye! Oh, and your bolts come back up. All your bolts belong to me. So very easily spent about half of our bolts on, so far, purchasing. And that's the main mechanic of this game, is you have to get money in order to move on. It's just like in real life. If you want anything good, you gotta buy it. No, bad spawner. Bad. Good thing I practice Wrench Master. The art of swinging and throwing your wrench. Because for some reason as a rocket mechanic I would have to know this. Whoa. Look at that skillful mines dodge. No more mines for you. I will take your bolts. Alright, this is the area where we are going to preview, show off the first gold. That's cheating! And also now I gotta use weapons. Because I'm about to die. Oh, God! Oh, jeez! I almost ran into those. Oh, God. I scared myself there. Oof. That's a close one. Alright, before going over there, turn down this way, and you are met with a grate and another grate, and, well, not great, not a grate, but a lot of boxes. I'm gonna break through this one. We'll be back for that in a minute. For now, we want to come up here, break all the crates up here, collect all the bolts. As once again, we need all the bolts in the game in order to get the RYNO. And then second time through, well, you'll see what we need all the bolts in the game to do there, in addition to purchasing weapons. Oh good, more health, yes. Oof, I feel a lot safer already. And we easily jumped up another 1,000. Oh, nice quark blimp in the distance there. I'll be back for that one bolt that I missed. Oh, there it is. Wow, that blimp is fast. Dang. If only the bus system was just the same way. Unfortunately, it's not fast enough for my liking. As you might be able to tell from that gold thing up there, that's a gold. There's a gold bolt, the one that I will be previewing here. And there's obviously a bit of parkour to this. If you, I did not want to do that. No, almost missed all of these bolts. We need all those bolts. We're going to be easily up to a nice, cool, I think around 5,500 by the end of this. Don't fall off the ledge, Ratchet. There's the one of 2 gold bolts I will be previewing this level. Ouch. Good thing that doesn't hurt you when you run face first into a wall. Also, there's another upgrade I can't wait to get. For those of you who know what it is, it's got something to do with bolts. And no, it's not a multiplier. I will say that right now. Out of both of them, I actually like the train sequence of the second game a lot more than this one. This one is very simple and very nice. Let me just get you off the ledge. Bye-bye. I do prefer the first game, not the first game, the PS4 version. Oh, dang it. Yes, off the ledge. It's a little hard to dodge on this train. We're gonna wait for this train to complete its turn, and then we are going to jump. Alright. Now, I have fallen right through that hole before. So let's go ahead, long jump, and we are secure here. Where are we? Well, we're actually right above our ship. I have also fallen to the ground before. I'm gonna let you do your thing while we come over here and get a nice large collection of even more bolts. You're gonna hear me say bolts a lot in this game. They are bolt-tastic. Hit that dislike button for that, please. That was awful, and I almost got hit. Ooh, fun fact, actually. If you keep this guy running long enough, if he runs into any of his mines, he will pick them back up. Just an interesting fact.
Greetings, Executive Chairman Clank. Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must prepare this planet to be harvested for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
I'm counting on you, Lieutenant. And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Drek is destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, that lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is.
Now you're talking.
Oh, Clank, you're so devious. Little secret area. Turn to the right. Come out. Even more bolts. Oh, I thought I couldn't get those ones. I know there's a few down there. I don't think there's enough down there to really warrant going over there. I think there's only a couple boxes. Thought I heard the sound of more. Anyways, let's keep going. I get every little nook and cranny. I think, yeah, you can break these guys. I'm not going to break every single one of them, otherwise we'd be here for another 20 minutes.
Quark fitness course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the third island to complete the course. Good luck. Quark Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Excuse me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
Clank,
Yes?
notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
Oh, Clank. Let's talk to him again.
That's right, fitness fans. Just make it to the third island to claim your reward. And don't forget to tune in this week as I, Captain Quark, appear in person to present the grand prize for the Hoverboard Championship held in Blackwater City.
What an oddly specific detail there, Quark. What an oddly specific detail. Alright, so easy peasy. Let's get through this. I've done this fitness course 100 times. So this should be a snap. Very simple. Shouldn't fall off. Alright, as I say that, I'm probably going to take that back, as I'm probably going to fall off 100 times, and I will be very upset. Don't forget to break the boxes up here. If you're doing this playthrough the way I am, you'll need every box broken that you can find. Now, if you're like me and decided to go to the other area first, you can have a helipad will help you, just like that.
These moving walls also function as jump slots. Jump.
I knew that was going to happen.
Until you reach the top.
I knew that was going to happen. And there's no platforms there. Alright, let's get ready to do this. Not going to try for that one. I probably could have. Ah, yeah, there we go. Now, fortunately, this platform that we're standing on right now doesn't go away. Now, I know this is from this point on we can either there's one of two places we can go. We can go for the bolt, or we can keep going. I happen to know that you can easily get back to that island once you acquire this Sphinx shot. Oops.
Listen up, you loud balls. That was the most pathetic display I have ever seen on that obstacle course.
What do you mean?
We finished the circuit, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, but it is weak. When I was competing, I would devour courses like that for breakfast.
Bet that's not all.
If it were up to me, you would drill for the rest of the day. But somehow you managed to impress that fool Captain Quark.
Captain Quark knows about us?
He certainly does. And worst of all, he wants me to give you a prize for that ridiculous performance.
Cool, what is it?
I'm supposed to give you a swing shot, so you can stay to and fro like little insects.
Alright, let's see it.
Not so fast. Today the two of you disgraced my obstacle course, so I am going to make you pay.
But that prize is ours from the captain. That's not fair.
Too bad, life's not fair.
I kind of spoiled it for you guys, but we're getting this swing shot, and I forgot we had to spend another 1,000, so it's going to be more or less. Well, we might come back to 5,000, which means we spent every bolt we've earned this level. Because I think I had about 4,000, so we've gained 1,000 since the last level.
Sweet. I bet Captain Quark uses stuff like this all the time.
Ha! Real men can swing without silly toys like that. The two of you make me sick.
Congratulations on your new Gadgetron slingshot. Use it on standard versatiles like the ones you buy. If the target is out of food, use the L1 button to
I always wondered what she meant by with Hey, like, how can real men use a swing shot without the swing? Well, how can real men swing without the swing shot? Anyways, we are returning to this island in order to gain a gold bolt, and I will show you where we need to do, where we will get it. I'm not going to bother pausing. Oh, this video is almost as long as the other one. Well, Metropolis is a very big level. I'm just happy we haven't died yet. Knock on wood, before we accidentally die getting to the gold bolt. See, if we had done that the first time through, I'm pretty sure Helga might have been a little more happy with our results. So, instead of going down there, we are going to look over... That's not where I wanted to look. That is where we want to look. And down there, you see all those boxes? That is where we want to go. So just use your helipack. You cannot get down here. Can't even get up there with a helipack, but you certainly cannot get over here without the helipack. You need it. It's not an option. And there's our second gold bolt. When we come back to this level next, we will be getting the final gold bolt, which is very easy to get. I promise you guys that. And are we going to be able... No, we're not going to do it. Alright, we almost managed to get back to 5,000. But, oh well, it was not meant to be. Now, around here there should be a taxi. Oh, I need to get these bolts. Cannot leave any behind. Should be a taxi somewhere here. There we go. If I went after that final gold bolt, we would definitely have more than 5,000 by now. Might actually have been at 5,500. Nah, we're just returning to the... I think it's the first island. It's not going to bring me to the third island. Okay, for a second I thought it was going there. Oh no, it's bringing me right back to my ship. Well, that is service. That is awesome service. Speaking of service, I will be ending the video right now. Thank you everyone for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button if you really enjoyed. And don't forget, share this video all around if you think people will like Elder Scrolls Legends content or more Ratchet and Clank content. Still very excited to do the series. And I will see you guys next time on Planet Iridia.